Hello everybody and welcome to Hey Kids Let's Draw. Thanks for joining us. Today we're going to be drawing football quarterback superstar Trevor Lawrence of the Jacksonville Jaguars. Trevor Lawrence played college football at Clemson, won the national championship in 2019 as a freshman. He was the first pick in the draft to the Jacksonville Jaguars and was one of the highest college recruits of all time. So let's get started. Find the center of your page, up and down, across, and we're gonna draw the head of Trevor Lawrence up there in this area. Okay, get your pointy tip, dark marker, could be dark gray, could be black. Here we go. So we'll start with the jaw of Trevor Lawrence. He's got kind of a longer face, a longer, skinnier face. So down to the chin, over, up, and up. So he went down to a chin, over, up, and up. Okay. We're going to do an arch. This is going to be a headband. A lot of football players wear these headbands, sweatbands, whatever you want to call them. So we connected the head. Now we're going to start again, go up and above and down to a point. Okay? Let's do the eyes. We'll kind of do a sideways, almost like a jelly bean shape, an oval jelly bean shape. There's one and two. And the nose down to a point. We'll do a mouth here, down, up and down. Smile lines on the side. Bottom lip. He's got a chin that kind of goes up like that. And we will do circle on the inside of the eye. Circle on the inside of the eye. And now let's kind of do a black outline around that circle, a black, make it kind of a pupil. And what we'll do is we'll get a blue marker, a light blue. Let's go with a light blue marker if I can find one that works. This should work. Okay, kind of a baby blue, a light blue, and we're gonna do an outline around that black outline for Trevor Lawrence. Has blue eyes, so we'll give him some blue eyes. How about that? Okay. Now let's do, before we do Trevor Lawrence's famous hair, well actually let's do that right now. Let's get a light, maybe yellow, kind of a tan or a brown, and we will start over here on the side. We'll do an up. This is his long, famous hair. And over here we'll do another one. Another big up. Swoop down. Maybe a couple pieces come out like this. Maybe there's a piece out like that. Alright. We'll color that in on the fast forward. Go back to your dark marker. We'll do the neck. Trevor Lawrence's neck. He goes down, down, to a point, and now behind the hair, we'll do a shoulder pad, okay, come down, and bring it down to the waist, over, up, connect. Okay. He wears this towel, over, connect to the waist. We'll do the legs, down, up, down, and around. Down, 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 down. Connect. Those are the legs. And we'll do these big shoes. The tongue of the shoe, the tongue of the shoe. 1, 2, 3 bumps, 1, 2, 3 bumps. Those are the shoelaces. Bring the shoe out, straight across, stop at the ankle, and connect. Bring that ankle down, straight across, up, and connect to the shoelaces. Let's do a big football right here. Trevor Lawrence is holding this football. Down, down. We'll do 1, 2, 3, and 4 circles for the fingers. 1 finger up top. His arm will connect down to the football. Down to the football. It's kind of hiding behind that football. Over here we'll do another arm. Let's do a hand. So we'll do a thumb, finger, 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 and a pinky. Connect to the thumb. Bring his arm. 1, 2, and hide it in behind that hand. So the hand's kind of coming out toward the viewer. How about that? Okay, let's do the number 16 right here. So go straight, down, down, over, up, and connect. Do the 6, angle down, angle over, up. Alrighty. Now he has the Jaguars uniform has this shape on the edge of the shoulder area, and then behind the hair there's like a pointed shape that comes down and a pointed shape that comes down and hides behind the hair. We'll color those dark, and I think that is our outline for Trevor Lawrence. What we're going to do now is we are going to fast forward. We're going to do black pants, black shoes, black socks, brown football, flesh color. We're going to do the dark kind of a blue. It's a turquoise. If you can see this color, it's kind of a turquoise green for the jersey. So let's get started. Thanks for joining us on Hey Kids Let's Draw. We're going to fast forward now in color. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Follow us on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, Patreon. Let us know who you'd like to see next. And share our video. We'd like to build our subscribers so that more kids can draw with us. So fast forward now.